Hey, what's going on, guys? So, in this video, I will show you how to add admin to a Facebook page. Now, this process is going to be quick and easy, so let's start. Now, first, let's go ahead and open up Facebook. Now, from here, switch to the page that you manage. So, for example, I have one page in here. Now, once in here, you tap on your menu on the right hand corner and tap on Professional Dashboard. Now, from here, you can scroll down and see here that we have page access. Now, let's tap on this. And if you want to add admin who can control everything on the page, you can tap here on the first one, people with Facebook access. You can tap on add new. Now from this one, you can tap on next and search for a name or email you want to add as admin. So for this example, I want to type on a name here and it's going to search. Now I want to choose this one and go through the information and finally tap on give access. Now that's how you add admin to a Facebook page. I hope this is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you next time.